how to minimize YouTube on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to minimize your YouTube while watching or while doing some things on your iPhone, so it will be productive. That way you don't have to exit or stop what you are doing on YouTube. So first thing what you need to do is just head over to your settings on your device, that is your iPhone, and scroll down until you see the option general. So simply select it, and once you select the general option, from over here you just have to locate the option that is picture in picture and just select it and make sure you have enabled it. Once you enable the option from over here that is picture in picture, now just head back to your YouTube application and do the same over here as well by simply heading over to your bottom profile icon over here. And once you select your bottom right corner profile icon, just select the settings here icon at the top right corner. And once you tap on that, here you should select the option that is general. So if you're outside the US, you require a premium version to access the option that is picture in picture mode right below this restricted mode over here. So as you can see, I'm outside the US, so I don't have a premium version of YouTube yet, so it's not showing for me. But if you have a premium version or if you live inside US, you'll automatically get the option that is to enable picture in picture mode, and you can just enable it and simply open any of the videos that you like and you can just play it on your background. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.